Imagine a natural, refreshing, and delicious way to boost your libido: watermelon juice. This crimson delight is not just a thirst quencher but also a powerhouse of certain nutrients that can act as a natural Viagra. Start by selecting a ripe, juicy watermelon. You'll know it's ready when it gives a hollow sound upon tapping. Now, to prepare your love potion, first slice the watermelon into smaller pieces. You'll need about 1/4 of a medium-sized watermelon. Remember, the rind is equally important. It's packed with citrulline, an amino acid that helps relax and dilate blood vessels, similar to the effect of Viagra. Next, place the watermelon chunks including the rind into a blender. Blend until you get a smooth, frothy mixture. Once blended, pour this mixture into a sieve over a large bowl. Press the pulp using the back of a spoon to extract the juice completely. Now you have your fresh watermelon juice, but wait, we're not done yet. Take the juice and pour it into a saucepan. Heat it on a low flame until it reduces to half. This process concentrates the nutrients, making your love potion even more potent. After it has reduced, let it cool. You can enjoy it chilled or at room temperature, whichever you prefer. In summary, making your own natural Viagra with watermelon involves these simple steps: choosing a ripe watermelon, chopping it, blending it with the rind, extracting the juice, and then reducing it on a low flame. This homemade love potion is not just a libido booster, it's also a great way to hydrate, detoxify, and imbibe a host of essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's a refreshing treat that's as delicious as it is beneficial. So why wait? Tap into the power of watermelon juice and reignite the spark in your love life today.